Hey guys, today we're going to check out a case for the iPad Mini 5 by a brand called MoKo, and this is one of their Folio cases. So as you can see here, I have the rose gold colorway, and there's a couple things I like about this case. So here's the front, and then here's the back, and I like the nice stitching around it. This is a nice slim but yet protective case, and the reason I say that is because you can see that it's enough thickness at the top and the back that you don't have to worry about your screen or your back being damaged. So that's why I do like, but it's still nice and slim where it doesn't feel too bulky. A couple features I like about this case right here is that, for one, it has this front pocket, and that's nice. You can slip some paper in there, keep some little notes, maybe a pen if you need it. It's just nice to have a front pocket. You don't see too many cases that have a front pocket, so I thought that was unique. And then the other thing is going to have a spot for your pencil. And then lastly, it has a spot for your ID cards, credit cards, whatever you want to carry there. So if you're a person that uses your iPad for work and you got an ID card or something, you can just leave it right there in your case. These two stripes here are because you can use this case as a stand, giving you two positions to use as a stand. And it's very nice and easy to install your iPad. So it's just a little Velcro here. So I'm going to take the iPad. You just slide it in like so. Tuck this in underneath the back there, and now you're good to go. So you have a nice stand, have your cards, the cutouts match. Overall, a nice quality case. Have your front pocket, and then you don't have to worry about losing your Apple Pencil because you have a nice spot for it, and that's what makes this case really nice. So you can find this on Amazon. I believe it's about $16. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can pick it up from Amazon. But this is a nice case. This is a really nice case if you're one of those people that want to have a case that holds your iPad, your Apple Pencil, so you don't lose it. So check out the link below. Till next time, later.